Hello everyone, in this episode of Day Job presented by Sparesbox, I've left my XR6 Turbo with Grub from Impossible Fabrications, and I'm actually rather nervous about what he's doing to it.
So last night, Andrew dropped this XR6 Turbo off, told us what he doesn't like. Let's do something about it. Yeah, so we'll cut this off through here. On there. This structure here looks pretty strong, so we'll probably keep that. And then that's like a thick box. This is all like thin and probably not really structural. So I think we'll cut along this seam here. Along that seam there, and we'll cut all the way along here, cut along here, here, and get rid of all that back. So we'll do the same on this side. We'll cut the quarter off, but I think I might keep the fuel door, because look at this is pretty cool. So we'll keep that, but we'll get rid of the rest of the skin. And then I think we'll take the roof off. So we've cut all the bits off we just spoke about. I'm actually really surprised how stiff the car is still without the whole back end on there. Like none of these pillars move. I think we need to take more weight out. Let's give Hawko a call. I need to get a seat from him. Yo.
Yo.
Hey, what's going on?
Just got some parts delivered by Sparesbox. I'm just going through those to get ready for the next lot of work.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, we've done a little work on the car.
Yeah.
Haven't done heaps, but I think I'm pretty much up to ready to put in a seat in it. Have you got something I can use?
What do you need a seat for?
Oh, you said you don't like the seat, bro.
That is true. Actually, it's the world's worst seating position in a Falcon.
Yeah, so, I mean, I think I've fixed some of the other problems, but I'm not sure. But
fixing the problems of a Falcon, bro. They're built into a Falcon.
well, maybe.
What seat you want me to get?
Probably a
race seat?
Probably a race seat, yeah. Maybe some seat belts as well.
A harness?
Yeah.
Dude, that car's not fast enough to need a harness.
You might want it.
So I need to get a race seat and a harness.
Yeah. Hey, one other thing. What's your favourite colour? Is it grey? Or is it snot green?
Nardo grey is my favourite colour, like what my Sylvia is, my 200.
Okay, beautiful. All right, well, we'll chuck them in and we'll see how we go.
All right.
I'll see you on Monday, bro. Bye.
See you Monday. Bye.
Got off the phone to Hawkins. He's going to bring down a seat and some seat belts, but there's one more thing. He hates the colour, so I have come up with a bit of an idea. Just wait here. I wonder how he's going to feel about his car being pink. Let's see how this looks. Maybe I'll finish this tomorrow.
So I've just pulled up to Grub's shop, Impossible Fabrications in Moorebank, and I'm a little bit concerned about what he may or may not have done to the Falcon in the last couple of days. Essentially, he said, do you trust me? And I said no, but I left it with him anyway for a couple of days to see what he could come up with as his, I guess, plan of what to do to the Falcon. He reckons he could fix all the things I don't like about it. I said to him, zero chance of that. I don't know whether to be nervous or excited about what he's done to the car, so I best I get a head in and find out. Here he goes.
Come, have a look.
What the hell did you do?
I built you a car, bro.
What the hell?
You said you didn't like it, so I changed it.
That's not a Falcon.
I know.
All I can see is an AU roofline.
It looks like a Mazda.
What the hell?
Do
You
you
changed to, hang on.
That's all the Falcon that we took out. That's the bin.
Well, you have fixed a couple of problems.
I think I fixed a lot of them. All of them.
So
actually.
hang on, my problems were A, they're ugly.
Yep.
So you got rid of the car.
Yep.
They're heavy.
Yep. Fix that.
I think we fixed that.
Handling.
The handling's terrible.
Fix that because it's now lighter, so it's effectively
This
got
could be
heavier
better.
springs.
And lastly, has the world's worst seating position.
You're here to drop the seat off. You didn't like the colour. I did ask you what your favourite colour was, and I didn't have any
wow.
grey. I only had pink.
So this is what happens when I leave a car with you.
You said you
when
don't
I leave
trust
a car
me.
with you, not only do you do that, you make it pink.
Yeah. I left you a door.
Oh yeah, there's a door.
Huh? Safety.
You left me a door.
Yep. Not much of it, but it's there.
Is this for all the safety and scrutineering tests that needs to pass?
Yeah.
What are we doing about a steering wheel?
We'll put the standard one back on.
Just gut it.
Yeah.
Dude, this is just...
Did you expect this?
Well, no, I didn't know. You just said leave it with me. I thought maybe you'd just put an exhaust on it and a front mount and try and take the interior out to make it a race car or something, but this is ridiculous. They should definitely stay.
Oh, you can't get them out. They're like fully...
They're glued in.
No, it's like a one-way pin.
This is a really big car inside with no interior.
Yeah.
Hello, sweetness.
Hello, you're on camera.
Hello.
We're trying to keep our new build a secret. And
Which new build?
oh, that's right, the Falcon. I got the XR6 Turbo I bought and didn't tell anyone anything. We've been building that in secret.
Oh.
I left with Grub for a couple of days and didn't really know what he was going to do. And we need to know, can we enter this into Summonat Slam?
You fix the ugly and the weight by removing all its bits. Yeah, well, that's... that certainly is, that's a thing that happened.
Here's the best part.
Of all the things that happened, that's easily one of the things that happened.
That bit is the best. It's a 6-year-old's bike. But can we do burnouts at Summonat Slam?
The answer
answer is a definitely probably. Let me look into it.
All right, find a loophole that we can bring this.
Jesus Christ, that's bright, isn't it?
Yes, it's...
It's, wow, yeah. That is very, very bright.
All right, goodbye.